Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily activate your Sunbox card in California. So, the first thing you have to do is wait for your card in the mail. All eligible kids get one automatically. It arrives around June to September, depending on when you qualified. Is called the hotline 877-328-9677 and follow the steps to make a four-digit PIN. Or if you need help, you can always just contact them. All you have to do is head over to fns.usda.gov. The next is click on programs, then summer nutrition programs. Scroll down, then click on Let's Shop under Sunbox. And from here, you can see more information about Sunbox that may be useful for you. Then just scroll down until you get to the map. Next is just locate California. And this is the hotline that you can reach out if you need assistance in activating your Sunbox card. Once you received your card and the PIN is set, your card is ready for use. Use it like a debit card at grocery stores, farmers markets, or online where EBT is accepted. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!